Welcome to Crimson Guitars, I'm Ben Crow and this is my home studio. I've got another very quick tip for you. When you have got 22 or 24 frets and you are about to install them in a neck, the last thing you need is to be hammering away on fret 1 while frets 2 through 24 hit the floor and get lost and change their orientation, and you don't know which is which, especially if you have pre-tanged them for a bound neck. And I've been doing this on the main channel for a while, but I've never done an individual video. Essentially, masking tape. Masking tape is your friend. These are all in order. And now they will stay in order. This is fiddly though, as you can see. When you're pulling one off, you've got to hold the other side, etc, etc, etc. This is the final piece of the puzzle. Tape down the ends. Give yourself a little bit of tension. And your life is easy. No worries. No issues. And best of all, happy fretting. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and do not forget to check out crimsonguitars.com and the main channel, Crimson Custom Guitars, where, well, full builds, etc. See you soon. Goodbye.